Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we learned about Node.js and JavaScript runtime. So what are the different JavaScript runtimes we have? So we have Node.js, Bun.js, Dino.js and browsers. So the question is there any difference between Node.js and browser? So yeah, there are lots of differences between Node.js and a browser. So basically, the browser provides us these objects like document, window. Let me show you. So first, let me open the console. So we have this console over here, and if I type window over here, so you can see this window object. Let me type document over here, so you can see this document object. These objects are not provided by the Node.js runtime. Okay, so there are objects that are provided by this browser, so you cannot access this document object in Node.js. You cannot access this window object in Node.js. Okay, and there are few objects that are provided by Node.js which are not accessible in browser. So basically there are objects that are only accessible in Node.js, and there are objects that are only accessible in browsers. Okay, we are going to learn about this global objects in Node.js in our next video, so stay tuned for that. And the second difference is that Node.js supports both common and ES system. So these are two module patterns which Node.js supports, and we are going to learn about this in our upcoming videos. Okay, and browser only supports this ES module. So I hope the difference between this Node.js and the browser is the high level difference between Node.js and the browser is clear. So now let's learn our next topic, which is the V8 JavaScript engine. So what is V8? So V8 is the name of JavaScript engine that powers Google Chrome. Okay, it's the thing that takes our JavaScript and executes it while browsing with Chrome. Okay, so V8 is a JavaScript engine. That means it parses and executes our JavaScript code. In short, you can say that V8 is the heart of Node.js. Okay, so what is V8? V8 is the heart of Node.js. Do we have other JavaScript engines? So yeah, we have other JavaScript engines. For example, Firefox has this Spider Monkey. Safari has this JavaScript core, which is also known as Nitro. Microsoft Edge also runs on V8 engine. So basically Chrome and Microsoft Edge has the same JavaScript engine, that is V8. Okay, and this V8 is written in C++. Okay, so if someone asks you, which they shouldn't, in which language V8 is written, so it is written in C++. So this part is really important. So JavaScript is generally considered as interpreted language, but modern JavaScript engines no longer just interpret JavaScript, they compile it. So basically this V8 engine compiles JavaScript. Okay, so over here JavaScript is internally compiled by V8 with just-in-time compilation to speed up the execution. This line basically means this V8 engine converts or translates our JavaScript code into machine code. Okay, and then that machine code runs inside Node.js. Okay, so this is all about V8 JavaScript engine. So basically you have to remember few things about it. For example, this V8 is the JavaScript engine for Node.js. This V8 engine is written in C++, and this V8 uses something called just-in-time compilation to compile the JavaScript code. Okay, to like translate our JavaScript code into machine code. Okay, so now let's learn how we can run a JavaScript code inside Node.js. So let's open VS Code. Okay, so in this VS Code I am making a new folder. Let's call it basics. Okay, in this basics, let me create a new file. Let's call it 00-index.js. Okay, and in this file let me write this console log hello node. Okay, hello node. Okay, so how we can run this JavaScript file? So it is very simple. First let me come to this basics folder, and here if I do ls, it is showing me this file, and now I have to run this file. So how do I run this JavaScript file using Node.js? So it is very simple. You have to write node and the name of the file, which is 00-index.js. It means node, it means node run this file. Okay, if I press enter, you will see hello node over here. But there's a problem with this. If I do hello node 2, okay, and if I save it, it is not showing over here. So how do we solve this problem? Let me explain this problem first. So the problem is, what I want whenever I do some change over here in this index.js file over here, it should reflect over here. So in Node, it can be easily solved. You have to write node, and instead of writing the file name, you have to write hyphen hyphen watch. Okay, and then the file name, that is 00 hyphen index.js, and press enter. Okay, you see hello node over here. If I make it hello node 3 and save it, now you can see hello node 3. If I make 4 over here, so hello node 4 is showing. So whenever I am whenever I am changing something over here, it is reflecting over here. So basically we are running this in watch mode. So what is watch mode? Watch mode is simple. Whenever I'm doing some change over here, it will show me over here. Okay, so I think you know how to run a JavaScript file. It is very simple. All you have to do is node and then the name of the file. So you can also run your JavaScript code in watch mode. How do we run our JavaScript in watch mode? So all you have to do is to pass this flag hyphen hyphen watch, and then you can run your JavaScript code in watch mode. Again, what is watch mode? Watch mode means whenever the file changes, it will reflect over here. So this is it for this video. In this video, we learned about the difference between Node.js and the browser. And then the second thing that we learned about is the V8 JavaScript engine. How this V8 JavaScript engine works behind the scene, we don't have to worry about. And then we learned about how we can run a JavaScript file using Node. So it is very simple. You have to write this node and then the name of file. If you want to run your JavaScript file in watch mode, then you have to write node and then hyphen hyphen watch, this watch flag, and then the name of your file. Okay, so in the next video we are going to learn about globals in Node.js. So I'll see you there. Thank you.